Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Hafiz bin Abdul Hamid and my metric number is B0921100058. And today our group will present about first assignment for BMMM2333 hydraulic and pneumatic system comparison.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Adi bin Nizar. My part is research and theory. In research and theory, we have underlying system and working mechanism. For hydraulic system, the purpose of a specific hydraulic system may vary, but all hydraulic systems work through the same basic concept. Defined simply, hydraulic system function and perform tasks through using a fluid that is pressurized. Another way to put this is the pressurized fluid making works. And for the hydraulic system, working mechanism is pumps are used in hydraulic system to force hydraulic fluid through the system and generate fluid power. The fluid flow to the cylinder where the hydraulic energy is converted back into mechanical energy after passing through the valve. The valve aids in controlling the liquid flow and relieving pressure when necessary. For underlying pneumatic system is a collection of interconnected components using compressed air to do work for automated equipment. The compressed air or pressure gas is usually filtered and dried to protect the cylinder, actuator, tool and blade performing the work. The working mechanism for pneumatic make use of an air compressor to reduce the volume of the air in order to increase its pressure. This then moves through a filter into pneumatic tubing, where it's controlled by valve before reaching an actuator which does the work at the end of the process. This is a basic hydraulic system component, that is hydraulic pump, motor, reservoir and accumulator. And this is hydraulic application like stamping machine, excavator and molding machine. And for the pneumatic system component is filter, compressor, regulator and actuator. And for the pneumatic application is manufacturing, construction and air suspension. This is advantage and disadvantage of hydraulic system and pneumatic system. For hydraulic system, advantage is high power density, high accuracy and ease of control. For disadvantage, hydraulic system is fluid leak, fluid disposal and high cost. For pneumatic system, advantage is low cost, safety and environmentally. And for disadvantage, pneumatic system is low power density, less accuracy control and high noise level. This is feature of hydraulic system and pneumatic system. For hydraulic system, feature is the power density is high, response time is fast, cost high, environmental moderate, precision high, safety moderate. And pneumatic system feature is low, response time slow, cost low, environmental low, precision low and the safety is high. That's all from me, thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Lofana binti Baharim and my metric number are B0921100360. So I will present about the comparative analysis. First, for power transmission, both hydraulic and pneumatic systems have been used for energy conversion and gearbox in a variety of mechanical and industrial applications. So first, for working principle, for pneumatic, compressed air is used as the working fluid in pneumatic system, like example cylinder or air motor. For hydraulic, it is for transmit power using incompressible fluid, often hydraulic oil and fluid, such as cylinder or motor. Second, energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is the amount of power that can be generated or transmitted within a system given size or volume is referred to as its low power density. Pneumatic systems often have a lower power density than hydraulic systems. It is because hydraulic fluid can deliver larger power output in a small setup since they are denser and transmit power more effectively. And for power density, pneumatic systems often have a lower power density than hydraulic systems. This is because hydraulic fluid can deliver larger power output in a small setup since they are denser and transmit power more effectively. Next, for the component one we have four, which is pump, actuator, valve, and control mechanism. For pump, similarities are pumps are used in both hydraulic and pneumatic systems to create pressure and supply the necessary fluid or air. And the difference are the media utilized make a bit different. Pneumatic system employ compressed air, whereas hydraulic system use hydraulic fluid, which is typical oil. For suitability, heavy-duty applications that call for strong power and fine control, including hydraulic press and construction machinery, frequently use hydraulic systems. For pneumatic systems are frequently utilized in sectors including parking, automation, and transportation. Actuator for similarities, actuators are used in both pneumatic and hydraulic also, and different. The medium employed to produce the motion is where the main variation lies. Pneumatic actuator use compressed air, while hydraulic actuator use hydraulic fluid. Suitability application require great power, fine control, and heavy load such as industrial machinery, construction equipment, and flight control system frequently use hydraulic actuator. For robotic, assembly line, and pneumatic tool are examples of applications that benefit from using pneumatic actuators since they require quiet and light motion. Next are valves. The similarities are same, both the hydraulic and pneumatic system utilize valves and regulate the flow and pressure of the fluid or air. The difference are the design and specification to accommodate the different properties of hydraulic and compressed air. Hydraulic valves are built to withstand higher pressure. Pneumatic valves are generally lighter and more compact. The suitability hydraulic valves are suitable for application requiring high pressure and heavy load such as heavy machinery and industrial equipment. But for pneumatic valves are suitable for application where lightweight and fast-acting control is needed, like example automation system or pneumatic tool. This is for control mechanism. The different control mechanisms for hydraulic systems are designed to handle higher pressure and provide precise control. For pneumatic control mechanisms are typically more compact and provide faster response time. And the suitability hydraulic control mechanisms are suitable for application requiring precise and fine control. Example like machine tool, robotic, and industrial automation. For pneumatic control mechanisms are suitable for application where rapid response and fast-acting control are necessary, such as pneumatic automation system. So for all four of the components, hydraulic and pneumatic systems share the similarities in their key components, but they differ in the medium used, pressure level, force capabilities, and response time. This one for the application. For hydraulic, we can use the marine application, which is hydraulic play an important role in maintaining the stability and control of ship, like steering gear, bow, and stern thruster. For aerospace application, um, It is the airplane, rocket, and spaceship use hydraulic system for various applications. For pneumatic application, we use automobile. Which is automobile, the industry use pneumatic system for filling compressed air in the tire, vehicle painting, and opening or closing of the door. Industrial application, material handling, drilling, sewing, filling, packaging, and clamping. The last one for my part is maintenance and safety. For hydraulic maintenance, requirement is a filter replacement. The hydraulic system utilizes filter to remove contaminant from the fluid. But for pneumatic system utilize filter to remove contaminant from the compressed air. Regular replacement or cleaning of filter is necessary to prevent contamination and maintain system perform. For component lubrication, some hydraulic components such as pump and valve may require periodic lubrication to minimize friction. For pneumatic, some pneumatic components such as air tool or pneumatic cylinder. And the safety for consideration for hydraulic are fluid hazard. Hydraulic fluid can be hazard to human health and the environment. Safety measures should be in place to handle and dispose of hydraulic fluid properly. And for the pneumatic, compressed air can cause serious injury if mishandled. Precaution should be taken to prevent direct contact with high pressure air, such as wearing a PPE. For logout and takeout procedure, hydraulic systems should have logout and takeout procedure to ensure that the maintenance personnel can safely work on the system without unexpected activation or release of stored energy. And it is similar for pneumatic system.
Case study 1. The hydraulic system in the automotive industry. We choose the hydraulic braking system, called as hydraulic brake, widely used in automobiles. It works when the pedal is pressed. The hydraulic system activated and transfers force from the driver's input to the brakes on each wheel. The reason behind the selection of hydraulic system in automotive industry are the power, make them ideal for application, very precise and durable system because it ideal for use in harsh environment. The advantage using the hydraulic systems are improved safety, fuel efficiency, and help to reduce wear and tear on vehicles components by providing smooth and controlled operation. Case study 2. Pneumatic systems in the manufacturing industry. We choose the material handling. Material handling is the movement of materials and goods from one location to another, includes protecting, storing, and controlling the materials. The reason behind the selection of pneumatic systems are cost effectiveness, which inexpensive install and maintenance, safe to operate as there is no electricity used and can be used in variety of applications. The advantage of using the pneumatic systems are increased productivity by automating tasks that would otherwise be done manually and get improve the quality of product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about our group assignment for pneumatic and hydraulic. My part is practical demonstration. Okay, for the circuit, we apply for truck system using air brake, which is it is use pneumatic system. Okay, for first step, as service unit is to ensure the right compressed air quality and filter out compressor oil, condensate, and dirt particle from the air. Okay, then next, the air will go through the compressor. The compressor is to reduce the volume of gas or air and increase pressure. And then the air will go through air pressure reservoir, which is to act as temporary storage and then to accommodate peak demand of the compressed air. Okay, for the truck system, it has on the left side is left truck air brake system, and the for right side is right truck air brake system. Okay, air from the air reservoir, air pressure reservoir, will go through the through pressure valve, which is the function of the pressure valve is to split the air from compressor to the left and the right air brake system of the truck or the vehicle. Okay, the advantages of using air brake system, or why our group use pneumatic system. The first advantages is the supply of air is unlimited, so the brake system can never run off it operating fluid as hydraulic brake can, so the minor leak do not result in brake failure. Okay, second advantage is air line coupling are easier to attach and detach than hydraulic lines. The risk